I am connected to a Cisco router, and yes, we are going to run some basic commands. I use Secure CRT to manage my Cisco devices. I really like this application. It is licensed. You can download the trial version and see if you like it. If you don't want to pay for it, you can use PATI. It is for free. You can download it off the internet. It is okay, but Secure CRT gives you more options. I'm going to show you a few commands and I will browse to this router. Yes, because we can browse to a Cisco router. We don't really do it. We use the CLI. I have mentioned it a few times already. We type all commands. Here I want to show it to you because it makes sense to at least check it is possible. The first command I want to show you is show IP interface brief. This command allows you to check all interfaces that are available on your router and IP addresses. In my case, Gigabit Ethernet 0, which is 192.168.1.104, is connected to the internet. Yes, it means that I can ping the internet. Let's try it. The most popular IP address that you can go for is 8.8.8.8, Google DNS server. Here we go. I can ping it. If you want to check if your connection is stable, you can say, I want to repeat my ping command 100 times or 1000 times. I want to make sure that my connection is really stable. Now we can check the same using Cisco Configuration Professional Express. It is on this router already. It means you don't need anything on your PC. You can use Firefox or Internet Explorer. You browse to your router and then you can check settings, and in theory you could configure your router. I want to show you this option. It's going to produce a really nice table with all interfaces and IP addresses. Here we go. I can see G0, 192.168.1.104. It is up. It means that it is up and running. You have access to ping and traceroute commands from here as well. Let's try it out. Here we go. I can ping 8.8.8.8. Easy, isn't it? Yeah, it is really easy. Here I am in something that is called the privileged mode. It means that I can do show commands and I can manage my flash, my files on this router. If you want to start configuring your device, you have to go to something that is called the global configuration mode. The command is conft or configure terminal, because we can use shortcuts. We'll talk about it later on when we talk about basic router configurations. Now it changes to config, and it means that I can start configuring my router. It means IP addresses, host names, routing, DNS, DHCP, whatever I want, I can configure it using this global configuration mode. I hope you like it. We will come back to the CLI and we'll spend a lot of time doing labs, of course, because we have to talk about the OSI model, some protocols, but We will spend a lot of time on Cisco routers and switches because I want to make sure that you know how to work with Cisco devices, and of course you need it for your exam and you need it in the real world as well. For now, I just wanted to show you some basics because I appreciate it might be really boring when you just go through PowerPoint slides. You learn about DHCP, ARP and DNS, the OSI and so on. But yes, now unfortunately we have to go back and talk a little more about some concepts, and we'll start with the OSI model.